sorry. Alright, so there we go. We're gonna play some Flow Skate 2. And I got the redvalk from opening toy codes. Sponsored the person right next to me. Say hi. Yo. Alright, if you couldn't hear him, just turn up your volume. My volume's all the way turned up. So we're gonna do some insane maps. So I'll be right back. I want to get lots of views from getting this redvalk, right? Because usually the redvalk's like the rarest item in the game. It's paining me right now. So that paper cut, it's pain right now. But it's okay a little. There's our first insane of the day, Dark Side Facility. I'm bad at Dark Side, but please don't be mad at me. I'm sorry if I did pause it. I forgot to pause it. So it's 120. Oh crap. Nope. Well dead. It's the hardest map. Here's the second map for the day. Here's the wave servers thing. Oh, beneath the ruins, another hard map. Another insane map. The hard is insane. I'll follow them again. I got the redvalk for no reason. But I did get the redvalk. I got a bonus code. But I redeemed it already. I redeemed both of the codes. And if I show you guys and you try to redeem them, they won't work anymore. No! Because I had to jump from the edge. Alright, let's go. Alright, it's a abandoned facility. We can just skip this one, but I don't care. I want to do it, so let me do this one easily. So yeah, guys. I'll tell you how I got it. It's like if you open up a season 3 and you like get the wolf, but you could get lucky on another one. But I got lucky on the wolf one, and I got the tail and the redvalk. It's lucky chance. I got a lucky chance of getting the bonus code. I think you can only get the redvalk from getting bonus codes. I lost connection to the game server. Bye. Well, there goes my gems. But I don't want to put on my mic, because then that will make echoes. Ah, Dark Side Facility again. Why is it always Dark Side? We're now a different map. Yeah, plus I'm using my dad's account. I didn't get it on my regular account. I got on my dad's account. Visual Skank. Plus I'm on Xbox. I wish I could get a computer, but I can't. I spent lots of money on these toy codes. I didn't really spend my money. The person next to me spent the money. So we got lucky on the redvalk. Why is my game frozen? Come to 4. See what we get. Sinking ship. Another hard insane. Why am I always getting hard insane? It's impossible. Are you serious? It took forever to load. Oh, yeah, this back bling I'm wearing is a code too, right? No. Hey, that's the wrong way to gain that button. press window. Bing bong. Boing. Bong. Bong. Boing. Bong. Bong. Boing. Boing. Bong. Boing. Bong. Boing. Boing. Bong. 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 If I beat Sinking Ship, I am done. Yeah. I beat Sinking Ship! I beat Sinking Ship! Come on! Yes! I got the Sinking Ship! Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! No way! I beat Sinking Ship! I beat Sinking Ship! There's no way! That's the only insane I need. I still need to play Dark Side and Beneath. But that was one of the insanes I wanted to complete for a long time. So comment down below if you have the redvalk, and I'll give you a shout out on my next episode. This is an easy insane. Well, I died on the easiest insane of all time. Let's get to the next one. The lastest and finally, Dorset Facility. I'm gonna fail this one again. This is the hardest one. Nope. No buttons for nobody. Well, finally I made it to this part of the map. That's all for today's video. See you guys later, and bye!